Hey guys, a quick video here on the GT-R90 version 2 conversion that I did a video on where I converted the stack here with the new mounting method. If you want to see that video, I'll put a card in the corner if you want to know how to do that. That kit costs $2, you can get that from Diatone, but details on that are in the other video. What I want to do for this video is show you the difference in the video noise along with the conversion kit. They also sent me a capacitor that's right there, you can hardly see it. And it is soldered onto the 5-volt rail, you can see right there. So it's if you look at the pads here, there's the two bigger ones, that's for, like, I think battery power, and then there's two that are empty, and I think that's one of the UARTs. So basically there's 4 empty ones, and then those two right there are for the capacitor. That's the 5-volt rail. So in case anyone's wondering where to solder on the capacitor, that's where it's going to go. Now, they sent me the capacitor along with the conversion kit. This is what the capacitor looks like. It's a solid capacitor, and it's a little bit smaller than what you would see for something this size. It's a 470 microfarad, 25 volt. If you get the other kind, it's like twice the height. It's quite a bit bigger. Now, I thought they were going to sell these on the Diatone website, but apparently these are only going to be included in the version 2 of the R90 and future versions that have the TVS Unify. They're telling me that you can't buy this now, and they told me that if you want to get this for your version 1, you can buy these off of eBay or Amazon. And I did do a quick search, and I did find something of this size, 470 microfarad 25 volt, on Amazon for about $5. So I'm not sure if that's the exact same one here, but it has the same specs as this one. And in terms of soldering on, the dark color here indicates the negative, and usually the longer leg is the positive. So in case you're wondering which one's positive and negative, usually where the dark color is going to be the negative on that side, and the other side is going to be positive with the longer leg. Sometimes they don't have longer legs, but usually the positive does. And you're going to probably have to cut it pretty short to fit it in here. You want to make sure that that capacitor doesn't hit that plastic piece here. It looks like mine is, but it's actually not touching. If it's jammed in there and touching, and it'll cause vibrations to go to the flight controller. So you want to cut these legs as short as possible and get it right up to the flight controller. In any event, I think that the video noise issue is now solved. I'll show you a little bit of before and after video footage. I think that it's quite a bit cleaner than before. So why don't you just go ahead and roll you the footage, and if you want to clean up your video, you just have to go and get one of these capacitors. You don't have to necessarily convert your stack to the version 2 stack if it's okay for you, but if you want to clean up your video, you do need this capacitor. Anyway, I hope the information here is helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.